Hi, I'm Jason and welcome to Dosatron University. Today, Dosatron Service and Maintenance video series features servicing your Dosatron D14MZ2 14 GPM injector using our mini maintenance kit. Before we start, make sure the injector is clicking. If not, please watch the D14MZ2 troubleshooting video. To service your D14MZ2 injector, you will need the mini maintenance service kit. To begin, unscrew the suction hose nut and remove the suction hose. Unscrew the injection stem nut and pull the injection stem assembly straight out of the body. Set the nut and body aside. Unscrew and remove the check valve nut. Grab the barb and pull the check valve assembly straight out. Set the stem aside. To change the check valve parts, hold the check valve assembly and twist the white top guide 1/4 turn counterclockwise to remove. Remove the spring and cone and discard. Install the new parts by placing the O-ring onto the cone and insert into the top of the barb. Next, slide the new spring over the shaft and position the new top guide over the shaft. Align the guide and twist it 1/4 turn clockwise to lock. Give it a tug to make sure everything is in position. You can now reinstall the check valve assembly in the stem and reinstall the check valve nut. Set the stem aside and pick up the blue body. Remove the plunger seal by pinching it and rolling it off the plunger. Install the new seal into the groove on the plunger. To finish up, align the notches in the lower part of the blue body with the teeth on the top of the injection stem assembly. Then reinstall the injection stem nut, hand tight. If the scale you prefer is not facing out, just loosen the stem nut and remove. Pull the stem down slightly, rotate it and push it back up. Reinstall the nut hand tight. Before installing the suction hose, inspect it. If it flares out, cut an inch or so off and reinstall. Or if the suction hose is cracked, rigid, or looks really old, just replace it. Now, thread the suction hose nut onto the hose, slide it onto the barb, and hand tighten the nut. Make sure to set the injector to your desired setting. We hope this video has been helpful in servicing your Dosatron D14MZ2 14 GPM injector. For more information, give us a call at 800-523-8499 or visit us online at dosatronusa.com. To see our other videos, check out our YouTube channel or see our video link on our website. I'm Jason and this is Dosatron University.